Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a small software that you can fast your download. After install this software, you can fast your downloads more than earlier. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Let's see how to do it. First, you have to go to the link that I have given in the description. When you go to it, you can see this. Now click on there. Try Internet Download Manager for free. Then click on it. Now you can see it is downloading. It's only 9.9 MB. After install it, you then close it. Then go to File Explorer and find your file. Now we have to install this file. Then double click on it. Now click on Yes. Now click on Next. Now tick to there I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click on Next. Now tick to there create an icon for IDM on desktop. Now tick to there and click on Next and click on Next. Now you can see it has installed. Then click on Finish. Now IDM Manager has installed to your PC. Now there you can see this shortcut. Then open it. Now we have to do very small settings from there. Click on Downloads and go to Options and go to Connection. Now set their file speed detection connected. Now select this and set their 32. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. Now I have restarted my PC. Now I will show you how to work on Internet Download Manager. First you have to download a file. You can download any file. I will download in a very small file because it's easy for our video. You can download any file, any huge file or any other file you can download. Now click on download. When you see this, click on show all and cancel your download and right click on the link and copy the link. Now close it and open Internet Download Manager. Now close this and there you can see the URL. Then click on it. Now paste there your link and click on OK. Now click on Start Download. Then you can see it is downloading. Now it has downloaded. You can download any file from there very fast. Then I can open it. I have downloaded a song. Like this, in this small software you can download your downloads very fast. Please comment me, is it useful or not. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for new tutorials. And don't forget to like and share.